Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opportunity from Google and Salesforce to discuss. So, both of the companies are leading product-based companies in the world. It's just having a global domination. So, if you could start your career with these companies, then that will be a great thing to go. Okay, stand sticking from this normal MNCs, then this will be a great get through. So once you'll be thinking about like how can I get in through Google, how can this be like how can I be placed in that opportunity? But trust me guys, like I have a one or two people, a couple of people who's working in Google and Microsoft around me. So when I got to explore how they get in through or how the colleagues that like with them are getting through, so what I got to know that majority, like not, I'm not generalizing it in total, but majority of the employees were not, a great at graduation, like 100 to 100. They were not like that, but there was an average student, average graduates, but they have developed themselves to the eligibility criteria. Okay, what all the technologies they have mentioned, the eligibility criteria, they have developed to themselves and applied to this particular job. So like previously when I bought a video from for the Microsoft, I saw a lot of comments in the comment section if we apply, are they going to select us? Just tell something which is practical. How can this be done? So much like this. So don't ever self-doubt yourself. Just raise yourself. It's not a great task, obviously. It's not ever impossible. Okay, maybe sometimes it must be difficult, but it is not an impossible. Okay, so let's see what is that. So before that, if you're very new to the channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon too. If you're activating the bell icon, please do enable this all so that if any of the videos that we are uploading, you will be getting notified. Okay, so we do provide the timely videos regarding the hirings from different companies and the placement details, selection process, like after the technical assessment, the questions, answers, and interview, mock interviews, everything will be provided. So you will be very good benefited out of ours. Okay, so if you wish to get your programming skills, everything, your resume, everything, we can help you with that. Okay, so now let's move on to the video for that. So here, the technical solutions engineer is a position in which Google is hiring university graduate of 2022, and the location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. So you can see the minimum qualification required is bachelor's degree in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, or equivalent practical experience, and experience with reading or debugging code in one or more following languages. Any of this like multiple, I would suggest you to go for 2 to 3 languages. If you could know that well, then it's done. Now, experience developing web applications, scripts, and programming languages, Python, Go Live, etc. Like any of this. Okay, so this is about the minimum qualification. Now let's move on to the preferred qualifications. Before that, like you must be knowing about, we're having an application Online Study for You where we provide so much of courses regarding your placement needs, your placement, like the online assessment, aptitude, programming, then interview preparation, everything. And if you want the programming from the root to stem, that is also there. So in this Diwali, we have something to offer for you, that is a 21% off for the 3 months extension. And for that, you have to use a coupon code Diwali21. Okay, and this offer is only valid till 7 November. So you can make use of this coupon code, get the courses at discount price, and you can start preparing yourself and get placed in a company which you are desiring for. Okay, guys, so this is a very good opportunity, and all the courses that we have is a revised course. We are revising it every year with the recent syllabus and the recent trends, recent severity. So most of our students who have used this course have assured that this is the most of the questions we have got similar in the assessment. So you can go through that as well. So please make sure you start your career with the right guidance. Okay, now coming back in here, the preferred qualification will be the basic cloud foundations, including networking, logging, monitoring, security, compliance, etc. Then experience in database, big data, information retrieval, data mining, machine learning. Then the experience in building multi-tenant and high available distributed applications, understanding of Unix, Linux, or Windows systems from kernel to shell and beyond, ability to quickly prioritize multiple tasks and excellent attention, demonstrate troubleshooting, follow through, and problem solving skills. Okay, so this is basically the preferred qualifications, everything. So develop yourself. If you are zero at this, start prioritizing things and develop yourself, and save this link for later. And if you we like the link is still there, you can apply it, or else the same designation will come under university. This is for university graduate, this will come under professional graduate, so there you can apply. Okay, so you can click on this apply button to complete the application process. So in here, you have to give your resume, then your personal information, your education details, higher education, work experience, if any. If you don't, you can just put it over here. Then that's it. You can go for that. Okay. So this is application process. It's very simple. And now coming to the CTC provided, obviously the average salary is greater than 11 LPA. 11 to 20 LPS is the salary range provided for the freshers in Google. So if you could get in through this, then that would be great for your career as well as a great in the sense of CTC too. Okay, so work hard, like for a short time, if you could work hard and grab a great like lifetime settlement kind of things, and that will be great, right? So try for this at the earliest. Okay, now, next we have another important opportunity from Salesforce. You know, Salesforce is the leading product in the world. So that is also a kind of global domination. It's not a kind of, it's a global domination company as well. Okay, so they have the intern position as both associate system specialist. It just been 2 days that this is up. So you can apply it at the earliest. Location is Hyderabad. And now coming to the basic requirements, it will be BTech in computer science or IT, have good analytical skills and be curious, exceptional research skills and resourcefulness, strong technical problem solving skills with an ability to troubleshoot complex application issues, then willingness to learn and master unfamiliar technologies and concepts, understanding of business process and ability to translate business requirements into application functionality. Good understanding of SaaS and concepts, good understanding of RDBMS concepts and SQL, experience with web services, so WSD and reversal services, reset services, excellent written and oral communication, good understanding of API governance, ability to engage with emotional intelligence, strong team player with service oriented. Okay, so basically in here, they want you to have the basic technical knowledge related to the database or the software development lifecycle related to things like that. Not the advanced, but very basic details. Then the interpersonal skill is given the second importance. Okay, I mean, that is the primary importance. Now, the preferred qualifications will be experience with Salesforce platform, experience with data loaded tools for Salesforce like Jitterbit, Workbench, ability to author Apex and Visualforce, experience with Jitterbit, Oracle, so integration technologies, good understanding with HTML or XHTML, jQuery, JavaScript, JAX, Reset, JSON, Apex, Visualforce, Salesforce certification is a plus. Okay, so if you would like to get the Salesforce certification online, you can get it through. So this is about the opening in Salesforce as well. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So I'm opting this apply manually. So if you have already account there, you can log in, else you can click on this create account and continue with the registration process, thereby application process. Okay, so coming to the CTC provided in here, obviously Salesforce is great at providing. So fresher salary itself, it's greater than 13, like 11, 12, 13 plus LPS according to the designation provided. So as if now it's an intern position, so 7, 8 LPS greater than that is what they usually provide for the, that is a base salary. Okay, so anyway, you will get a high payment, don't worry, but this is, first priority must be according to the career explore that you can do it in this platforms. Okay, so make sure you apply it. And coming to the batch details of this, it's an intern opportunity. So obviously 2021 and 2022 students can apply it here. So 2020 students, 19 students, they will be a kind of, they are not freshers anymore. So this is basically for 21 and 22 students can go through here. Okay, so I think the both opportunity that I brought in is having a greater importance. If you could take it seriously and prepare yourself and apply it and get through that, then that will be great. Okay, so if you're very good at like giving you self-worth or giving you self-motivation, then this is opportunities for you. Okay, so make sure you apply to this at the earliest as soon as you watch this video. So if you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.